Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. If you're looking for the most perfect set of chairs for your home, you have to check these out. These are the 2xhome set of 4 chairs, and they are so versatile. They're great for your patio outdoors because it's okay if they get wet. The material is easy to wipe off and clean. I absolutely love the design. As you can see here, they are just so beautiful. They're different. I really honestly haven't seen a design like this before. They're not only cute, but they're also comfortable. So I'm sitting back in the chair and I'm super comfortable right now. I have them here in the dining room, so you can use them in the dining room. You can also just use them as an accent chair. You can use them in your office. If you have a beauty room, I think they would be really cute in there too. So there's so many different ways that you can use them. And it's perfect that they come in a set of 4. So it's a no-brainer for me, guys. I mean, go ahead and just buy them. That's my point of view.